Okay, here we go again. Okay.
You know what?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You're in the front. You're in the okay. But if I fall on you, it's gonna hurt. Just sit on. I'm staying back. No. Ah, you're kicking my butt. Don't move, we're too fat. I'm going on this sled, I'm not going to get off of it. No, that's my sled. I'm sorry. I almost like this. The snow's not even wet.
I probably didn't get any of you. I thought you were going to hit me, so I like ran out of the way.
Snow's not even like wet or nothing.
Or nothing?
Or nothing.
Or nothing?
Hey, you like my Aiden jacket?
It's gorgeous, Sarah.
No.
It's really something.
Get me snowboarding. Get me again. Like you did before.
Catch you? Laura, I can't catch you. I have the camera.
Erica, it's the sled that's bad. Yeah. Wait, I'm rolling.
Get the purple sled.
Oh my God. Look out. Wait, I want to go with you. Wait, go this far. Oh my God, Mom.
That was sick.
The bomb. It feels like you're going so fast to roll down the hill. When you're really going really slow. Yeah. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Wow. Erica, why would you roll? Hey! You can stop it now.